How to change country in YouTube mobile. First step is check your mobile phone and see you have not installed YouTube Studio. It is most important that you not install a YouTube Studio in your phone. Now second step is open the Google and search YouTube Studio and click on the first link. Now in the down left side you can see setting option. Click on it. Go to the second option, channel. Now you can see country of resident option. Click on it and choose your country and click on save. That's it. Thanks for watching. Follow for more such helpful videos.